mouth when you lying and stay on my business or watch you dying. I'm taking my people to highest rate crime, but regular living, and that's what I'm trying to prove. Instead of just lying in boots, first true Filipino rapper on the news.